This is the Apogee Zephyr. This is our first high power rocket specifically made by Apogee using all Apogee components. We have a brand new 5-to-1 ogive nose cone that makes it really long. It's got heavy wall body tubes, 1/4-inch plywood fins, and it's got this unique cutout here on the end. The fins do hang off the bottom a little bit, so you have to be careful about landing on a hard surface. But the way we build this model, and you'll see this in the instructions, is that the internal fillets really make these really strong. It's probably unlikely that you'll break one off, but you do want to be careful. It can fly on 38mm motors. You can also use an adapter and use 29mm motors. You want to use a high thrust G motor for the smallest motor. High thrust meaning greater than 50 newtons of power at liftoff. And you also want to have it have at least 100 Newton seconds of total power. You don't want to use a wimpy G. Like there's a G74 that's barely a G. It only has something like 65 Newton seconds, but maybe it's 75 Newton seconds of power. It's pretty low. So stay away from that one. But anything with high thrust and a good sustaining thrust to it will be a good motor for this rocket. It also can fly on H motors, and that's what it was really designed around. You're going to use this to get your level 1 certification. It's a great rocket for that. It can also take I motors and even a J motor if you're daring. The J motor is pretty long and it's going to stick up way inside the tube, but it will fit inside the rocket just fine. So this is the Apogee Zephyr. You can get it at www.apogeerockets.com.